heard on the news just yesterday, the government wants to take our guns away. Well, that ain't cool, cause a lot of men died to keep our freedom in America alive. So don't come to Texas and knock on my door, cause I don't want your blood stain on my porch. I got an old shotgun that was my granddad's, and I know how to use it when things get bad. And I'm not the only one ready to fight. Our Second Amendment gave that right. So unless y'all really want to start another war, don't come to Texas and knock on my door. Don't knock on my door. Well, crooked politicians all over the place, telling lies with a smile on their face. Well, that ain't cool, cause a lot of men have died, and so many soldiers have paid the price.